Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this video, I will guide you on how to lock Binance app in your mobile. So if you also want to lock Binance app in your mobile, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open Binance application. You can download this application from Play Store and App Store. You can see over here Binance application has been opened. Make sure you're logged into your account. Also make sure your identity has been verified. So in order to add the extra layer of security, locking your Binance application might be very important for you. So if you want to lock the Binance application, all you have to do is tap on the Binance icon that you can see at the top left corner of your screen. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. Over here you'll be able to see several options. At top you'll be able to see your Binance ID. Also you'll be able to see your username. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you'll be led to the account center interface. Over here you'll find your username, ID, registration info. Also you'll be able to find the option for verification, security, VIP privilege and Twitter. In order to lock the Binance application, all you have to do is tap on the security option that you can see at second. Now you can see over here you'll be led to the security interface. You'll be able to find several security options over here. You can find the option for two-factor authentication. You can use a passkeys, authenticator app, email, password. Scroll down. Under account activities, you'll be able to find the option for auto lock. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. You'll have to select the unlock method now. You can see two options, touch ID and pattern. Simply toggle the button right next to the option that is suitable for you. Now you'll have to select the time. You can see several options over here, immediately, 1 minute, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 30 minutes and 1 hour. Simply tap on the option of your choice. Here I'm going to tap on immediately option. Now simply go back. Now you just lock the Binance application. Now when you open the Binance application again, your Binance application will be locked and you'll have to unlock it with whatever option that you selected earlier. So that is how you lock Binance app in your mobile. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.